Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today I want us to talk about the raid that happened in North Gauteng High Court. That court that Judge Rata sits in to conduct to preside over the Senzo Mewa case. Yes, some crooked things are happening there. Crooked things are happening there. It was all over the news today in South Africa. Yesterday in South Africa. So that was yesterday. The time now is 008. And so that was yesterday. And then I thought, let me keep you up to date with what's happening in our country, especially the courtrooms. A lot is happening. So this was on the 13th May 2025. Sowetan Live posted something on their page. They said, Hawks raid Pretoria High Court over fraudulent notices to foreign nationals. In news by Mutumu Molosangwe. The Hawks raided the Pretoria High Court on Tuesday over allegations that an employee has been issuing fraudulent notices of motion to undocumented foreign nationals to prevent their deportation to their countries of origin. A notice of motion is a formal request to the court that notifies it and the opposing party of a party's intention to seek a specific order or relief. Gauteng Hawks spokesperson Colonel Katlego Mogale said the operation relates to allegations of fraudulent notices of motion being unlawfully issued by an identified employee of that court. It is alleged that the said employee has been issuing fraudulent notices of motion to undocumented foreign nationals to prevent their deportation to their countries of origin. This search and seizure operation specifically targeted one office and an individual believed to be central to the commission of these offenses, and exhibits were seized for further investigation, said Mogale. Now, what I don't understand is why are we not getting the name of the person? Why are they not telling us who that is? Because what is this now? What is this now, son? What is this now? Hi, son, South Africa. A few weeks back, it was Umtata High Court and employees doing the most fraud, also that side. So this team of fraud investigations and law and order, they need to start working very hard because there's a lot of things that are happening here. And this person who's doing this needs to be named and shamed, just like any other criminal activities when they are named and shamed. Why is this person being protected instead of us being told who the person is? Because this is not on. We have a problem of foreign nationals doing as they please in our very own country and making it a mockery around the globe. And the next thing, we have people that are supposed to be servants of this country. They are not serving the country. What they do is to bring the country down. And that person, they don't give us his or her name. We need to know who that is. We really do need to know who that is, because what is this, Nasan? We need his or her picture. That is what we need. We cannot have someone who is dragging our country into the mud and we don't know who that person is. No, I refuse. We need to know who that person is, because this is bad. This is bad, son. I'm not happy. I am not happy with that information at all, because I pelelang at all. Guys, I don't know what you guys think about that, but it's too much. There's a lot of things that are happening in our country. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Because it's going on and it's becoming too much every day. What do you think? Please make sure you do engage on the comment section. Tell me, what are your thoughts? How are you feeling about this? And also, please make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, and most importantly, you share on all your socials, please. Your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, please share the channel there. It will help me to grow even more. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you doing that for this channel. And I will always keep you up to date with things that are happening that we had no idea are happening under our nose in our own country. So please make sure support my channel. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.